Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Computer Repair. I'm back with another tech video. In this video, I'll show you how to solve computer hanging or freezing problem. In this video, I'll show you some easy method. Hope this video will be helpful to you all. Let's see how to do that. At first we turn off Windows Features program. Which features you are not using and it's running in background, please turn it off. To do that, go to Control Panel and then go to Programs and Features. Then go to Turn Windows Features on or off. Unchecked which you are not using and apply the settings and press OK. When you need the software, you can simply run this software by following this method. Second step. Stop update settings. To do, go to Control Panel and then System and Security and then go to Windows Update. Then stop update settings by following this method. Third method. Particular CPU usage. To do that, go to Task Manager and then go to Process option. Find out which program usage more CPU. Select the program, right-click on it and go to Set Affinity. Then choose one core for this software and press OK. Press OK. Fourth method. Go to Search menu and type here Services. Then find out Windows Update. Double-click to open and then disable this settings. That's it. By following this method, hope your problem will be solved. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and appreciate it, just so the YouTube algorithm knows that you actually like this video. And if you have any question, please feel free to post them in comment section below. Thank you.